What's up guys, this is Bharat here. Welcome to Tech Matrix. Today we are going to look at how to unroot OEM lock and flash stock CM12S the easiest way for your Oneplus One. The prerequisites are you will need your Oneplus One Windows PC, stock USB cable, and obviously all the files from the description below. Also you'll need to install the drivers first, so just stop here and install the drivers if you've already not done that. Let's get right into it. So guys, first thing that you will need to do is connect your phone to your PC, but before that ensure that you have installed the drivers for your PC. Just check the description, you will know how to do that, and install Unroot toolkit from the description that I'll leave the link to, and ensure that you download the cyanogenmod fast boot images only from this link and not the other signed zips or anything. It has to be a fast boot image. The first two links are the ones, all the others are not the ones that you need to download. And also ensure that you create an EFS backup. So there's an app which I'm going to leave the link in the description. You can just install it on your phone, take an EFS backup, and you are pretty much ready to go. So guys, ensure that you download all these files in one single folder to easily access it. And when you go back to the root toolkit, there'll be something called flash stock plus unroot. So click on that, click on OK. You can either choose device in normal mode or a soft brick mode. If you have a soft brick device, just ensure that you go to fast boot mode before clicking that. I'm choosing device as normal, and I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to choose the first option right there. I've already downloaded it, browse the factory image, so I'm just going to do that. You can also choose to let the Unroot toolkit download the factory image for you, but it takes a lot of time, so I've already downloaded it from this link that I will give you in the description, and you can just go ahead and do that as well. So it's gonna check ADB status now on your phone. There might be a prompt to always allow or whatever that is, so ensure that you click on that. That is already covered in the driver installation process, so you should not get this prompt when you're doing it properly. I am just showing this prompt so that you have the drivers installed and the ADB drivers also installed, so that this prompt doesn't appear. For me right now it's gonna go out. I'm just gonna replug my cable and this prompt will just go off. So right now my phone is back on, and then I'm going to click OK again. So the ADB drivers are installed. So in just a second you will see that it's going to be booting. It's going to check ADB status, and it has ADB, and so the device is connected right here. It's rebooting into bootloader mode, and when this happens your phone will go into bootloader mode. Basically it's going to switch off and go into fast boot mode. Right now this is checking the fast boot status. Yes, so on your phone it will be something like this. So let's get back to the PC, and you will be asked this prompt. Just click on OK, and this will take a little bit of time. Your phone will restart several times, so just let that happen. And then just ensure guys you don't plug off the cable, or your PC is going to reboot for whatever reason, maybe electricity shut down or something like that. Just ensure that you don't do that. You screw up the device big time if you do that. So just press any key to exit right now, and your phone should be booting back to the cyanogenmod 12S stock. So guys, once you booted back up, go into settings, about phone, and click on build number several times. This will enable developer options for you, and go into developer options next and enable on Android debugging over there. So this will enable developer options. Click on developer options, and there you have Android debugging. Ensure that's enabled. Once you click on that OK button, if you're connected to your PC, it'll ask this prompt, allow USB debugging. Click on always allow and click OK. So on your PC, now go back to the Unroot toolkit. You will find something called as OEM lock. Click on the OEM lock, say OK, and click yes. So this will check ADB status. If you have the drivers and ADB proper, it will reboot your device into bootloader mode, and it will OEM lock the device back again. So right now this process is almost complete, and you have a stock OnePlus One phone relocked to the bootloader to the original status, and you're pretty much ready to go. If you want to give it for service or whatever, you can just go ahead and give this. Peace guys, see you in the next one. Subscribe and like the video.